I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Ayush Srivastav, and this is my individual self-reflection video. Now, for this video, I have picked up 6 points that I have learned from this course, and all these 6 points will be in relation to the gig economy. Gig economy refers to a marketplace where an individual works on a short-term contract or he volunteers and is not working for a permanent contract. Starting off with self-reflection, in the past I knew what self-reflection was, but I never really paid attention to it. And as I started going through all the lectures and all the seminars, I realized how important self-reflection really is. It points out your positives and your negatives, and I think an individual should always know about their positive and negative points, especially when they have to work in a professional marketplace. Second point is giving voice to values. For me, this is one of the most important uh, concepts I've learned from this course, as giving voice to values was alien for me. As I'm from India, and if you compare India to Australia, there's a huge power distance. Back in India, you are not supposed to give voice to your values. You are only expected to listen to your seniors and not um, question their whatever they're saying. So, giving voice to values is something new that I've learned and which will be really useful for me, especially if I'm working in Australia. The third skill I've learned is negotiation skills. I've learned about Batna, I've learned about bundles, I've learned as to how people generally go for a win win situation. And I think negotiation, as we all have done in the past, is different when you do negotiation professionally. So it's very important that I learn negotiation. The fourth point is cultural awareness. Now, especially coming from India, it was very different when I arrived in Australia because the culture is very different. And when you have to work um, in a Western country where people are there from different backgrounds, they have different values, they have different cultures. It's very important to be culturally aware. The fifth point ties with giving voice to values in terms of importance. The fifth point indeed is giving and receiving feedback. I think giving and receiving feedback is really important because it helps an individual to improve whether he's giving a feedback or he's receiving a feedback. Um, it's very important that when you give a feedback, you should be constructive and not harsh. And when receiving a feedback, it's very important to have a wider viewpoint. The sixth point is I've merged four more points to make the sixth point. The first one being CSR. As we know, companies have a social responsibility and it's very important to learn about them. I learned about CSR when we did our group project on autonomous technology. Second point is motivation. I think motivation in general is very important, and I think motivation is something which is very underrated. Motivation helps you to work efficiently and effectively, and motivation is important both in your professional life and your personal life. The third point is 5 Ws, which stands for what, where, who, why, when. It's not a theory. It's just a tool that helps you to do your projects, assignments, and blogs. And the fourth point is pest analysis. Again, it's not a theory or a concept, it's just a tool which helps you in writing your reports, helps you in writing your assignments, helps you to compare things. So these were the 6 points that I picked up from this course, and I just hope that these 6 points will help me improve and both professionally and personally. Thank you.